Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? Before I start this video, I just want to say that I'm not going to talk about any politics or any policies, all right? I just want to give my 10 cents on what's going to happen on the oil industry next year and what I think. So without further ado, let's get to it. Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? This is your boy, Captain Manny. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are welding. And most of all, I hope you guys are healthy with all this crazy stuff that's going on.
Vamos, nena, ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Dónde archivamos su nombre?
All right, this new normal and all that. All right, I'm here on today's video, guys, talk about what everybody's been asking and what everybody's been asking me about. All right, guys, I know we have a new president coming up next year. Like I said, unless Donald Trump turn on the election, which is, pretty hard to do, and I don't think that's good for the country. But, if he does it, that's pretty good. But, I don't think it will happen. If it happens, good. More job for us. But if it doesn't, then Sleepy Joe is gonna be our president. And I know he likes this new president. He likes green energy, right? He likes green energy. But the switch to green energy is not gonna happen. Not even probably in the 8 years or the 4 years that he's gonna be president for. It's not gonna be that quick, like, okay, green energy now, no more oil, okay? That's not gonna be the case, all right? And who knows, he might even switch to more oil. He will just don't say it. You know how he likes his money.
That I like more than checks. Money. What I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money.
And that is it gonna be jobs next year? Is it gonna be no more pipelines because Joe Biden won? The way I see it, guys, all right, is that Joe Biden won the election, okay? I wanted Trump to win, okay? Like maybe a lot of people, pipeline people want it. Most of it, maybe I want to say like 80%, 90%, because there was a lot of jobs, oil jobs with Trump, all right? But reality check is that, unless Trump turned this election around, we're gonna have Joe for 4 years to come, all right? And that's it. We're gonna have to deal with it. See what a lot of people asking me, it's like just like me. I just bought my welding machine last year, okay? So I'm not even a re-welder yet. Haven't tested for it, but I know there's a lot of people like me that they're just starting out. They're getting their rig ready, or they already have it ready, or they start working just for a couple of months and then everything shut out. Like this year I went to North Dakota from Phoenix and the job canceled. So, why? Because of COVID-19 and all this stuff going on. Everything, the oil went down. I don't know if you guys remember, it went to the negatives, and it was very hard to find a job in the oil industry, guys. So, a lot of people asking me, should I sell my truck? Should I sell my welder? Or should I even get started into re-welding, with all this crazy stuff going on, And what I can, there's no way to know the future, but there's one thing for sure is that pipeline jobs, there's gonna be a lot of work for pipeline and compressor stations and maintenance. There's always welding for real welders to do, all right? But it's just gonna be hard to find those jobs, especially if you're like me, that you're barely starting, you haven't even put your name out there. It's not gonna be easy, all right? But if not, that doesn't hurt to try it, especially like me, that you already have everything set up. I don't want to sell my truck and just never try it. So we're gonna have to wait for next year, guys. Once everything comes to a new normal. I heard that the vaccine is gonna be out this month, December. Hopefully everybody start getting shot, and companies, investors wanna do business back in the oil. And it's not gonna be like with Trump, when we have a lot of jobs on the pipeline. Everybody had you can even choose where you want to work, because there was a lot of work. But I'm pretty sure there's gonna be work. It's just gonna be not easy to find, especially the first months of the year. It's not gonna be easy because new president. It's gonna be still winter. There's gonna be nobody wants to work in the winter anyways. So maybe April, May is when everything is gonna start picking up. All right. So don't sell your truck. I will tell you that right now, unless you're gonna buy a new one. And don't sell your welding machine, because if you already bought it, just like my case, it's a brand new, my baby classic 300 M. All right, classic 300 MP. All right, it hasn't even break it yet, so it only has like 200 hours. So give it a shot. And if you're thinking about getting into rig welding, don't be afraid. All right, there's gonna be plenty of work. It's just not for every single rig welder out there, right? But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys are safe out there, healthy. Stay away from everybody if you can. Stay home. But don't forget to subscribe. All right, right here. If you haven't subscribed, if you like this video, share it with your friends. Make sure you like it. All right. But yep, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.